In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the password generator in 1password. Managing your passwords is crucial in our digital age, and 1password makes it incredibly easy to create strong, unique passwords with just a few clicks. Let's dive in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll start by heading to 1password's website. If you haven't already done so, you'll want to navigate to the official site where you can find all of the tools provided by 1password. It's a well-designed platform for managing not just your passwords, but also your extended access management needs. Once you're on the 1password homepage, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Sign in with your account credentials. These are the keys to unlocking all the essential security features offered by 1password. After signing in, you'll be taken to the 1password homepage. This is your dashboard, where you can manage your vaults and see all of your stored information neatly organized. In the sidebar, you'll notice that you have multiple vaults available to you. A vault is essentially a secure area where you can organize your items, much like folders on your computer. Simply select the vault you want to use from the list. It's important to choose the correct vault to ensure your new passwords are stored in the right place. With your vault selected, you'll see an option labeled All Items in the menu. This option lets you view everything stored in your vault in one place. Click on it to proceed further. Now, to generate a new password, you'll need to click on New Item. This button typically appears as a plus sign or an Add New label. Clicking it will present you with a list of different item types you can create. From this list, find the password option and click on it. This is the heart of today's task. The password generator is a powerful tool that automatically creates strong passwords for you. You can customize these passwords based on the complexity and length you desire. The password will then appear on your screen, ready for use. You can copy it to your clipboard and save it to your selected vault so it's easy to access whenever you need it. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned to use 1password's password generator to create a strong and secure password. This approach not only enhances your online security, but also simplifies your digital life. Be sure to store your new password in the appropriate vault, and you'll be all set. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with better password security.